Now what everyone sees is a CIP cleaning system. You can see that there are acid tanks, alkali tanks, and water tanks. Each tank is equivalent to a CIP information system of 500 liters. Let's take this tank as an example. First of all, this is a simple tank. Let's say that there is an opening on the top that can be used to refill your acid and alkali, including a breathing valve at the back. Because it ensures that this is a sealed state, this can be an exchange of air to the outside world, and you can go out. As you can see below, there will be a discharge valve on the pipeline below. Then at the same time, there is a heating tube here. As you can see inside, there is our heating tube inside. There are our heating tubes. These three tanks are all the same, and there are heating tubes inside. Then when he works, you can see these three jobs. Everyone look here. I want to look at this control. Everyone can see that there is a water tank, an acid tank, and an alkali tank. Each has a heater, a total power supply, and each has a temperature display. Each has a temperature display. At the same time, there is a switch for cleaning the pump. There is also a switch for the return pump. What do we do during cleaning? You can see here. Everyone first sees that there is a large cleaning pump below. That is, the flow rate of centrifugal pumps is usually relatively large, 5 tons and 10 tons per hour. Because it requires a very large pressure, you can see that the pipeline below have 3 valves on it, and each tank on each pipeline has a valve on it. At the same time, we also have a total valve. This valve will do. You need to use it when draining water or sewage in this place. Everyone sees a pipe and a distributor, and everyone sees a pipe distributor in this place. This is not necessarily 5 pipes, that is, as many devices as you have. You need to equip as many pipes. That is to say, our CIP information system is equipped with the whole line, not a single device for you. That is to say, when you need to clean the equipment. At this time, we first open the corresponding valve first, and then open the corresponding valve, and then open a valve of the corresponding equipment. At this time, we turn on one of our centrifugal pumps. At this time, we can use that pump to pump one of our cleaning fluids into our corresponding equipment. There is a cleaning equipment in the equipment, which can be used for this equipment. Undergoes a cleaning. After cleaning, we can close this valve, then turn on our centrifugal pump, turn on our return pump, and the return pump can recover our cleaning fluid. Enter through the above pipeline to open the corresponding valve, and enter the corresponding tank. Of course, the number of times the cleaning fluid is used depends on the cleaning requirements and promises of our equipment. If some tanks are relatively clean, your cleaning fluid can be recycled and used to clean the equipment. But if it's dirty, you can't recycle it anymore. You need to drain it and drain it. And there is nothing else left, which means using this acid, water, and water after cleaning, you can use it a second time. This is a CIP system, which cleans the entire system one by one. Okay, everyone can find out.